future bright. Know your duties, know your rights. Future bright, future bright. Know your duties, know your rights. Oh my God, our national flag is lying over here and no one is bothered about it.
Why are you so worried? It is just a piece of paper.
How can you say that? It's not just a piece of paper, it's our national identity.
In our constitution, it is our duty to abide the rules of constitution and respect its ideas and institutions like our national flag and national identity.
Now I understand. We should respect our national identity.
Yes, we should respect our national identity. Future bright, future bright. Know your duties, know your rights. Future bright, future bright. Know your duties, know your rights.
Wow, what a beautiful monument. I should write my name on it.
What are you doing?
I am writing my name on this monument.
But why?
Because I want to be famous.
But it's wrong. The monuments of a country are a country's pride and heritage.
Yes, when people see this they think the people destroyed the country of the nation. And many people visit from foreign. What they think about our country?
But I can do anything what I want because this is my fundamental right.
But before fundamental rights, there are fundamental duties. And as per as our constitution, if you want to enjoy our fundamental rights, we have to follow our fundamental duties. And as per one of our fundamental duty, we have to protect and safeguard the monuments, public property, rivers, lakes, schools, etc.
Okay friends, I will not do this thing again.
Future bright, future bright. Know your duties, know your rights. Future bright, future bright. Know your duties, know your rights.
Attention friends, it is not only preserve our monuments, also we should take care of our school buildings and furniture too.
Can you all tell me it is whose responsibility to keep the school good and clean?
It's our responsibility. Future bright, future bright. Know your duties, know your rights. Future bright, future bright. Know your duties, know your rights.
खिलौने ले लो, खिलौने ले लो, अच्छे अच्छे खिलौने ले लो।
अरे दोस्त, तुम तो रोज यहीं दिखते हो। क्या तुम स्कूल नहीं जाती हो?
नहीं दोस्त, मैं स्कूल नहीं जा पाती हूँ। मेरे घर की आर्थिक और पारिवारिक स्थिति की वजह से मैं स्कूल नहीं जा पाती हूँ।
अरे दोस्त, शिक्षा न सिर्फ हमारा अधिकार है, अर्पितु यह हमारे अनिवार्य भी है। भारत के संविधान के अनुसार माता पिता के कर्तव्य भी है।
शिक्षा के माध्यम से तुम गरीबी के दुष्चक्र से बाहर निकल सकते हो। भारत सरकार द्वारा 6 से 14 वर्ष के बच्चों के लिए मुफ्त व उपलब्ध भी है। अच्छा, तो यह बात मैं अपने माता पिता को बताऊंगी और विद्यालय जरूर जाऊंगी।
Friends, right to study is not only a fundamental right, but it is also the fundamental duty of our parents to send us to school for education.
Future bright, future bright. Know your duties, know your rights. Future bright, future bright. Know your duties, know your rights.
This is not my work. I will not do this job.
You have to do this. It is your job.
Friends, please don't fight. We should live with peace and harmony. It is a fundamental duty. And if we fight, then other countries will take advantage of it. And if we unite, we become powerful.
Yes, you are right. We will do it together.
Future bright, future bright. Know your duties, know your rights. Future bright, future bright. Know your duties, know your rights.
Friends, do you know what is fundamental duties? As per citizen of our country, we have a set of fundamental duties towards our country. This makes our country special. There are 11 fundamental duties.
First, to abide by the Constitution and respect the national flag and national
Second, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspire our national struggle for freedom.
Third, to uphold and protect their sovereignty, unity and integrity of India.
Fourth is to render service and protect the country when called upon to do so.
Fifth, to live in peace and harmony, to renounce practices of derogatory of the women.
Sixth, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture.
Seventh, to protect and improve the natural environment.
Eighth, to develop the scientific temperament.
9. To safeguard the public property and absorb violence. To strive towards the excellence.
11. Parents and guardians have to provide opportunity of education to his or her child.
Friends, we hope this is informative for you.